Hello friends, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this no-bake Pineapple Dream Cheesecake Pie. You're going to first start off with one 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Now grab yourself a strainer that is small enough to where you can put that pineapple in there and squeeze out as much of that liquid as you possibly can. Use a spoon or whatever you have on hand to squeeze out that liquid because this pineapple needs to be very well drained. Next, grab yourself a really big bowl and then add 2 softened blocks of cream cheese to your bowl, one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now once you've done that, grab yourself a mixer and start mixing up your filling on low and keep mixing until it's nice and smooth. After that, you're going to grab your crushed pineapple that you drained very well earlier and add that entire can of pineapple to your filling. Now once that's in there, give it a really good stir, a really good fold. Just make sure it's nice and combined in there. Grab yourself one 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Now these do come in the freezer section. Now thaw that out in the refrigerator overnight. Fold in that entire 8-ounce package of whipped topping in with your filling. Grab a 9-inch or a 10-inch graham cracker pie crust and fill that crust up until it's even on the top. Now this recipe does make 2 9-inch pies. Place this in the freezer overnight. Before your event, go ahead and take out your pie out of the freezer and then top it off with 1 container or however much you want to put on there of whipped topping, and then place some pineapple chunks and some cherries on top. Slice it up and you're ready to eat. I hope you enjoy, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye now.